Welcome, in front of me is a Galaxy Note 10 Lite, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. So once you find it, simply tap on it to enable it, and there we go. It's now already enabled. You could see it by the fact that the brightness dropped down a little bit. So it does change the max brightness on the device. Additionally, it does a couple things in the background, like turning off mobile and Wi-Fi when the device goes to sleep. So when you lock the device and don't use it for a moment, don't expect any kind of notifications that would require internet connection to come through. They will only come through once you wake up the device again. Now anyway, once you're done with this mode, you can simply tap on it again. Tap on it again to turn it off, like so. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.